start, I want to introduce you all. My name is Kushal Sharma. Hope you all can see me. Namaste. Welcome to all the people who have come from different parts of India. So it's always good to see people. Just now, 1,000 people, and now I'm in front of you talking to so many people. It's always great to see so many number of people always, right? So guys, before I start, I just want to know you guys are tuning in from which place, which city are you talking in? Just go to the comment box and write down the city name. Which city are you talking from? I can see people from Hyderabad, Kolkata, Mathura, Nasik, Mangalore, Bangalore, Bhimavaram, Vizag, Tamil Nadu, Jaipur, Udupi, Coorg. Okay, I can see people from all parts of India. There are like so many people coming in. Good to see so many people. Amazing, amazing guys. Big crowd coming in. Thank you. Thanks a lot. You see people come from all parts of India today to attend this super awesome session. Also, so if some of the people who really want the link, people who didn't get the link, they can directly go to my Instagram profile right now. My name is Kushal Sharma, and you can follow me there, and you can attend the same session live on Instagram, but without slides, right? So here we go. So I'm live right now. Thank you once again, guys. Quick request. If you have any important work for some time, just make sure that you are going to be away from that work. Make sure your phone is in silent. No one is going to disturb you. If you have a diary and a pen next to you, please take it out. Please write it down wherever you feel important stuff has to be written. Any doubts, any questions, any clarifications, you can write it down so that I'm going to clear once I finish the meeting, right? So once again, I want to welcome you all. So I'm damn sure many people have told you people, hey, you know what's happening on Sunday? Life is going to change. Life change होने वाली है. Sunday को देखना ऐसा होने वाला है, वैसा होने वाला है. मतलब बहुत सारी चीजें I think people would have told you, and you will be like wondering what's happening on Sunday. How will my life change? Let me tell you people that life do change, my dear friends, if you have the belief in that. I want to tell you about myself. My name is Kushal Sharma. I'm a Bangalore based person, born in Rajasthan, brought up in Bangalore, and I started a business like when I was 17. I'm 25. I'm doing really very well. I'm working with a lot of people all over India right now. I help a lot of people to get what they want so that I can get what I want. So we help people and we change lives. Of course, we have changed so many people's life, and that's what we believe in. And today you all have come here from different parts. Many of you people are thinking what's going to happen. Let me tell you people, today I'm going to share a business with you, a business which you can do from anywhere, a business you can do from any place, and the best part, you can do it anytime. Sir, I'm a lawyer, I'm a doctor, I'm an engineer, I'm a housewife, I'm a student attending this meeting. Can I do? Yes, you can. Without disturbing your current profession, parallelly, you can grow this business. Again, I'm repeating. Without disturbing your current profession, you can parallelly do this business. And I've seen so many people, when I started this business, I was an engineer. 9 to 5, I used to attend college, and after some time, I used to do the business. And meanwhile, over a period of time, I've done my business such well, and I'm almost making 1 million rupees a month. Just 25 years old and almost making 10.5 lakh rupees a month I'm talking about. So I'm going to teach you people the same thing, what I have done, and I'm going to teach you people how you can do the same thing, guys, exactly the same, and you can make more than me. Before I start, I want to tell you people today the kind of phones what we were using. Remember the kind of phones what we were using once upon a time? We used to go to the STD and all. We used to rotate that phones. Remember? इसको rotate करना पड़ता था तभी जाके वो phone लगता था. The STD ones I'm talking about. Today the phones are different completely. The Note has come and iPhones have come, and everything is in your fingertip. Television set, television set. There were 4-5 people who used to carry the set. And today it's completely different. The televisions are on LED and LCDs. Cars once upon a time, you remember Ambassador cars? How many people have seen an Ambassador car? Ambassador, white color. The politicians use today also, the red batti on top. Let me tell you people, today the car, guys, when cars can change, when bikes can change, when phones can change, when television sets can change, then why can't the way you earn money can't change? Please ask yourself. The money what you're earning, the style of earning money is still the same, I guess. Same 9 to 5 job and same money, and some money which will not be saved, and you will not have savings end of the year, and you don't complete what you really want in life. I know pandemic is going on. I know coronavirus is going on, and I know that people have lost their jobs. You talk about the entire country. Most of the countries were shut down during this pandemic. People didn't have any options. Factories were shut down. Things were pretty bad. And today we are recovering. Sorry to say you, crores of jobs have been lost in India. Big degrees goes in vain. Guys, but there is a hope. Let us watch what was the replacement, what was the plan B which came in. I'm going to show you a short little clip right now. Watch this, where you'll understand what actually happened in the pandemic and how things are getting better now day by day.
Now, it's time to build a business from home. Now here in New York City, a state of emergency declared as well.
Turmoil on Wall Street amid the coronavirus outbreak.
There's no treatment, no. There's no vaccine.
Panic is rippling through the global stock market. Stay home as much as you possibly can.
In those special times when countries are in lockdown, air travel is banned and even borders are closed, many people are looking for possibilities to generate an income from home. But does a home business really exist? Can you make a living with a laptop and a phone? And would it be worth it during a crisis like now? Will it still work when the situation is over? Yes, it will, because it has for more than 100 years. This $200 billion industry is called network marketing.
What's beautiful about network marketing is you get all the benefits of being an owner without all the headaches and without the same level of risk. I'm a big fan of network marketing, always have been, and you continue to grow your skill set.
So I'm a tremendous believer in network marketing, and I'm a great believer in entrepreneurs.
The reason Kim and I endorse network marketing is because unemployment keeps going through the roof, wages keep coming down. That's why we endorse it.
There are possibilities. There are opportunities. Are you prepared? What is your plan B?
Exactly. The most important question what was asked in the last was, what is your plan B? Yes, exactly correct. So what was the video talking about? The video was telling us that coronavirus had come. People had no idea it is going to come. Things went pretty bad. And end of the day, people had to open their mind and find out what is the plan B. And the plan B was a business which is called as network marketing business. A business where you don't have to invest any rupees. A business where everything is completely dependent on your hard work. A business which requires no time at all. You may be, like I told you people, without disturbing your current profession, student, lawyer, engineer, doctor, parallelly, how you can build a business, how you can work from your home itself. You have a laptop, you have a phone, you have internet, it's more than enough. I think with these three, you can quickly change the entire game. So I'm going to show you right now. Before I start, I really want to know whether are you really excited or not. If you're really excited, go to the comment or just go write down yes. Drop a yes in the comment box so that I can start this super awesome seminar and show you people how the actual thing happens in network marketing. So I can see a lot of people coming in and they're like very excited. Thank you. Thanks a lot, guys. Thank you. Thanks a lot. So guys, I'm going to share you my slides right now. Get ready. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Here we go, guys. So guys, moving on quickly, I want to tell you the first thing of the day is that you all know today the cost of living is increasing day by day, correct? The toothpaste which was 8 rupees in 1990 has now become more than 50-60 rupees, and 2025 expected to be 155 rupees. See, cost of living, the dosa what you used to eat 5 rupees once upon a time, masala dosa, today it is around 100 rupees or 80 rupees, and by time it is 2025, the masala dosa is going to be 245 rupees approx. Cost of living is going, inflation rate is increasing day by day, my dear friends. You need to understand, you need to come up with some idea. So many people are working day by day, correct? Why are they working? They are working to complete some of their dreams. What are their dreams? Maybe a bike, a car, or financial freedom. These are some of the dreams what people are working. But let me tell you, 95% of the population of India, they are not able to achieve these dreams. They are not able to achieve these dreams. They are not able to get there. Why? Because they don't understand what kind of money are they earning. See, there are 4 ways of earning money. There are 4 ways of earning money. First is you become an employee. Now, who is an employee? A person who has no time at all, but he has some money. Employee is a person who likes to work under someone 9 to 5 for a boss. Simple as that. He thinks there is no risk free, but actually that is the biggest risk because he can be kicked out anytime. The second option is be a self-employed person. You have your own shop. The problem there is that you have to give time. This so that there is no time only for you to live a life. Now you are a doctor or you are an engineer. Without you, the shop will not run. Again, it is an active income. The third way of earning money is become an investor. You make money through money. Money works for you basically. And the fourth way is that you are actually making money because you have created a system. You have become a businessman. You don't work, but thousands of people work for you. 4 ways of earning money. The best part is that, my dear friends, I want to tell you, in employee and self-employed, the money what you're earning, that's called as an active income. Now, what is an active income? You go to work, you get paid. You don't go to work, you don't get paid. As simple as that. Now, what is an passive income? You go to work, you get paid. You don't go to work, you still get paid. Now, what the problem happening here is that in active income, you are giving time, you're making money. How much time you give, that much money you will make. You're trading your time with money. But here it is not like that. In business, it's not like that. Income is not dependent on you. Please understand. Income is not dependent on you. Income is dependent on the system what you create. And that's the most beautiful part about business. I would love to be in a business. If I ask you a question right now, where would you love to go? Would you love to go in employee, self-employed, investor, or business? You may be telling me investor. But first, let us understand, to go into investor, you need money. So for you need money, you should go into the business. Now, many people in India, the reason why they don't start a business, the reason is because, my dear friends, they don't understand. They think that investment is too high in business. Correct? Now, why 90? I'm talking about 95% people of India today. You tell your father, I want to start a business. You know what will be the reply? It's too much invest. You tell your wife, you're going to start a business shortly. The wife will be like, "Arey, it's going to be too much investment, too much knowledge is required, experience is very much, efforts lagte hai, risk hai, competition hai." Let me tell you, this is what everyone thinks right now. 90%, 95% people. That is why the 5% people always take the game. They take the game, they win the game because the population is less. Guys, please understand, this was the problem in 2010, 2000. But in 2020, you can't say that, please. In 2020, you can't say that you need a lot of money to start a business. In 2020, you can't say that you need a lot of idea and knowledge to start a business. Acha, you all know Uber and Ola, yes or no? How many people know Uber and Ola? How many people have sat in a Uber and a Ola car? Is anyone here who have sat in a Uber? Obviously, everyone would have sat. Acha, how many people have ordered from Zomato and Swiggy? Zomato and Swiggy, how many people have ordered? Many people would have ordered, correct? Such a simple idea, right? The customer needs the taxi driver needs the customer. The customer needs the restaurant food and the food guy needs the customer. Swiggy came in, Uber came in. Such a simple idea. But no one even thought about it. Think about it. Similarly, in today's world, there are so many different ideas which are there in today's world which we don't even think about. Example, let me tell you people. How many people brush every day? Obviously, a lot of people. I hope you would have brushed. I hope you would have taken your shower and you're sitting in this meeting. Soap, shampoo, body towel, deodorant, cooking oil, tea, coffee, detergent powder. A lot of people use, correct? Now just tell me one thing. If these products, this becomes your actual idea, then like how the Ola guy have the idea, the Uber guy have the idea, the Zomato have the idea. If this becomes your idea, then sir, what are you talking about? You mean to say that start a business with all this? Yeah, I'm not joking. I'm not joking to you. Guys, I want to ask you a simple question. Where do you buy these things from? Where do you buy the brush, the paste, the face wash, the shampoo, the body towels? Where do you buy this from? You would be buying from a DMart. You would be buying from Big Bazaar, or you would be buying maximum from a Reliance Market or nearby, your Parchun ki dukan, your grocery stores. Correct? What do you get from there? Maximum you would be getting is a product and a discount together. Correct? Maximum you would be getting a product and a discount. But now let me share you an amazing, interesting fact. Let's say we don't buy from DMart, Big Bazaar, and Reliance, and we buy from Vestige. We just changed our shop. But as soon as you change your shop and if you stop buying from there and if you start buying from Vestige, you don't only get product, you don't only get at the same time, you also get a cashback that is called as your income plus a lifestyle. You will not believe I just changed the products at my home and things have completely changed in my life. I want to tell you let's find out what is Vestige. I changed my shop. Chalo sir, I came to Vestige. What is Vestige? But please tell me that. Vestige was started by 3 founders, Sri Gautam Bali sir, Kanwar B sir, and you can see Deepak Sood sir on your screen. It was started in the year 2004 with the with mission that they wanted to be the #1 company in the world, and their vision was that they wanted to make sure each and every person, whoever is going to be a part of Vestige, they must have economic independence on their own terms. But that, I want to proudly say you today that Vestige is having rank 1 in India. There are many direct selling companies in India today. Vestige, with a turnover of more than 2,500 crores of last year, is rank 1 in India. Almost 2 crore plus people have been part of Vestige till date. 4,000 plus online and offline stores in India. 350 plus products portfolio. Just imagine 350 plus products. And we don't just work in India, my dear friends. We have our network in Bangladesh, Bahrain, Thailand, Nepal, Saudi Arabia, Dubai, Oman, and Ghana also. We are doing a business there also. So what are we doing actually? And what is our world rank? Our world, I'm very proud to say you all, the direct selling companies, that recently the direct selling news announced that the top Vestige is the only Indian company in the top 100 companies of the world. Top 100 companies में से सिर्फ एक लौती ऐसी कंपनी है Vestige जो हिंदुस्तान की है. It's 30th rank, 30. It's a very proud moment. So what is Vestige doing basically? Now you see every company will have its products. Bata have shoes, you talk about Levi's have garments, you talk about Apple have gadgets. What does Vestige hold for? Vestige has interesting products. They work on something called as immunity. In today's world, the immunity is actually becoming a big buzz of the market. Right from your pandemic started, people were talking about immunity. Before that, no one even cared about immunity. No one even cared about immunity, but suddenly all of this happened. But Vestige was thinking about this since 2004. Vestige works on products which is related to your immunity, especially products like your ProHeart, that is all your heart kind of thing. Like India is a land where most of the heart attack happens, and we people give people the chance of reducing the heart attacks in India. We give Flex Oil. Now Flex Oil is one such product what we have. It's a supplement basically. So Vestige has supplements for all kind of problems, majority of your problems, and that's what we deal into. What are supplements, by the way? Supplements are nothing but, the things which complete your food. It's not medicine. It's a supplement, which is your food industry. It comes in the wellness industry, basically. It is one such thing which people should start consuming day by day. You see in TV channels, you see on your internet, people are telling you that start consuming supplements, and people are coming with so many ads and all that. And why is it happening all of a sudden? Because people have now understood, people have now started awareing that yes, it is important. I'm going to work every day, but I'm not taking care of my health, guys. Real wealth. So it's important that you take care of your health, correct? So we have supplements related to your health like Flexol, which reduces the cholesterol level, so the chances of heart attack comes down in your body. We also have products like Glycemic Health, like, where you can replace your sugar. The sugar what you're having with your coffee and tea is very horrible, I'm telling you people. Start replacing it with stevia. We have products like joints pain, like, have you seen people who are adults, 40, 55, 65 years old, when they sit down, they will like, array, it's paining. They keep their hands near their joints and they're like, it's paining. Now, why do they do that? Because it's paining. Like glucosamine. Now, glucosamine is a lubricant. Basically, when you consume it along with your food, it goes to that particular place where the roughness is there between the bones, and it gives a liquid which smoothens the bones there so that you don't get the pain. Basically, the people who are 40, 50 years, you should start consuming this. We also have products like immunity boosters, like you can see that spirulina. How many people are eating apple a day? Apple a day, keep doctor away. You remember that? I don't think everyone is eating apple a day because we don't have time, or we don't have the product on time. But do you know, spirulina, one spirulina capsule is equals to 80 apples. 80 apples, just imagine. It has so much of power inside that. We have products you can see right on your screens, like spirulina, noni, which is very good for your migraine issues. People who have cold and cough, it's very helpful for them. We have amla aloe vera, which is good for your skin and your body and your hairs. We have products related to fitness, that gym freaks basically. We have products for them, that is protein. We also have products for people who are obese. If they really want to get slimmer, they can start going with Veslim shakes, Veslim tea, Veslim powder, which will help them, and within 3 months they can get guaranteed results on their shape. We have products for women, because at today's world, women is very important, because She faces a lot of issues with her, with she gets periods, she goes away with a lot of calcium losses. We have products for her, that is Shatavari Max. We have so basically, what are these products for? This gives you good nutrition in your body, solve your health problem, boosts your immunity, prevents you from deadly diseases, detoxifies your body, and normalizes your body, my dear friends. We also have product related to agriculture. A farmer also can do direct selling in today's time. He can do farming in the morning. At night, what will he do? He'll waste his time. He can do direct selling. We have products for the farmers to grow his crops. We have products related to health food. You can see right on your screen there on the second slide. Health food, where you can get your cooking oil. Where do you buy your cooking oil from? XYZ places. Do you get cash back? No. Do you get money there? No. But you know what? You buy it from here, you make money. 50 rupees chocolates you can buy there. 25 rupees soap is available. You can just imagine tulsi pudina and neem se bana hua soap. We also have purifiers. We also have cosmetic products. We also have kitchen ranges. We also have products like water purifiers. We have men's health products. We have oral care products. All these things you can see it later. Also, your friend will say you, or you can go to the website of myvestige.com and you can find out all these things. To be more simpler and to be more clearer, what is the work basically here? Let me tell you our new range of products. One you can see right on my screen. It's a charcoal peel off mask. You can see the second one. This is a new product, new products which are coming to Vestige recently. It's very simple. You just have to apply it, and after 30 minutes, you just have to peel it off. And the dust particles, the kind of जो भी मैल होगा आपके मुंह पे, that all will come out along when you peel it off. That's called charcoal peel off mask basically. So these are the new ranges of Vestige which has come. Definitely the awesome products which is there. So we have also collaborated with products like Samsung, Samsung phone, MI, Reebok, Nike. You know what? The best part is you buy a Samsung phone, you get business on that also. You buy Samsung phone from where? Amazon, Flipkart, you get the offer. I say you with the same offer with a lesser price, you get business option, you get cashback also. We have recently collaborated with different brands in India which are going through. My dear friends, I want to tell you people that this is the best deal option. No company in India has even thought about it. Vestige has introduced it, and we have so many products inside that. So basically, what am I trying to tell you? You just have to change your shop. And if you ask me, sir, why do I change in short and simple manner? You can see on your screen that if you buy from a regular mart and if you buy from Vestige, what is the difference? So you get discounts. Basically, you get discounts. Every single product you will get discount of 10 to 20%. Every product. You talk about cashback, you don't get cashback there, but you get cashback here. Starts from minimum $100 to minimum 1,000 to 2,000 bucks. You get cashback. You don't get free products there. Only on festivals. Diwali is coming up, they will give you free product. After that, they will close it. But here, every day is Diwali. You get products free every single time you buy the product. You get something free. There is no guarantee here. There is guarantee in Vestige products. It's the quality product what Vestige gives from last 16 years. Special offers are not there here. Special offers are here. You buy for 4 months consistently from Vestige for 100 PVs each for 4 months. 5th month, company gives you 3,000 rupees products free of cost. Company give you 3,000 rupees products free of cost. Just imagine. And the best part, you start promoting or sharing to any of your friends, you make money on that. What am I doing actually? I'm just sharing the products to the people. I'm just telling the products about the products to the people, and guess what? I'm making a big money. This is the reason why you need to change your shop, because till now you used to buy from Colgate, you are making him rich. You buy from now onwards from Vestige, you make yourself rich. Simple idea, guys. Very simple idea and very impactful. When Uber came, no one even thought it will go so much big. And same way is doing very big in the market. What is our work basically? Our work is very simple. Our work is very simple. You know who is this? Who is this person on the screen? It's Virat Kohli, Anushka Sharma's husband. Virat Kohli first is Anushka Sharma's husband. Now, do you know something? He says on the television that Boost is the secret of my energy. Do you think he's drinking the Boost every day? He's in Dubai right now. Do you think he's drinking the Boost? He says Vicks Action 500. Do you really think that he's taking Vicks Action 500? Guys, his net income per year is 140 crores. 19 crores he earns from cricket match. 121 crores he earns from what? Advertisement and endorsements. 121 crores he earns from advertisement and endorsement. Just imagine, what is he doing? He's promoting the products. What are you going to do? You can start making money just by promoting the products. He's doing it online on TV set. on Zoom, you will do it whenever you are free so that you can make money offline. My dear friends, so basically what is our work here? Our work is very simple. Buy, use and share the products. I'm going to give you an example right now. Whenever you buy a product of Vestige, remember one thing, 30 rupees product you buy, you get 1 point on that. That is 1 PV, point value. PV you can call it as point value, PV stands for. Let's say you buy something with worth rupees 3,000 rupees. Your mom gave you 3,000 rupees, go buy these groceries or go buy these stuff for your house. You, instead of going to Big Bazaar, you just went to Vestige store. We have 4,000 plus stores all over India. Please understand that. You went to the Vestige store, you buy the product. You get how much PVs? 3,000 rupees products. Of course, you will get 100. This is the Vestige store in front of you. Let's say you are the person who buy from Vestige store. 100 PV product. You come to home, you use the product, you loved it. Your auntie came and she asked you, I love the same products. From where did you buy? And you said that I buy from here because I get cash back. I get free products and I get a lot of good offers. Like I buy every 4th month, 5th month, the company gives me free product. Auntie was impressed and she's like, I also want to have savings in my house. I also want a source of income. I will also buy from Vestige. She comes in, she also buy from Vestige. She buy 100 PV product. Listen to me very carefully. She buys 100 PV product. You get the benefit of 100 PV too. She buys for 100, you get the 100. She also get, you also get. The beautiful part right now comes here is that imagine one of that auntie's neighbor also liked the product and she also buy the same product, 100 PVs. Or whatever you want, you can buy. You can buy a Dio of 150 bucks. You can buy soap and it's high quality oriented. My dear friends, that neighbor auntie will buy for 100 PV. Your auntie is going to get 100 PV and you are going to make another 100 PV. Your total PV right now is 300 PV. You just buy for 100 PV and you just refer it to the people. People buy the product, you make the benefit. People will do the shopping, you will make money. This is the power of network. And the best part, you're not investing 1 rupee. There are many direct selling companies in India which takes money from the people for joining. They take money from the people for renewing. This is one such company where there is no money for joining. There is no money for renewing. It's completely transparent. You just have to buy whatever you love for your house, for your benefits, and you are actually starting a business, sitting at your home. Think about it. Think about it. So how does this money come? Guys, this money comes in different ways. There are 9 ways in which you can make money in Vestige. The first is called as retail profit. You just have to buy at the distributor price, but you can sell it at MRP. The difference money will always be in your pocket. The second income is called as performance bonus. If people will buy from you, then you will get cash back, the actual cash. You just have to update your bank account. The third is that if you achieve a level here, like director level, the first level is called as a director level. If you achieve that, the best part is that you get a bigger turnover, you get a bigger money now. The fourth one is that if you start building this business properly with a team, you get another income that's called as a business building bonus. The biggest income comes when your leadership comes in. When you start becoming mature, when you start doing this business on a professional manner, you earn the biggest income, leadership overriding bonus. The 6th income, the 7th income, the 8th income, and the 9th income is called as the funds of Vestige. You get a travel fund opportunity. Company takes you for a free tour to Thailand or Dubai. So I just went to South Africa recently. February I'd been to Thailand. Just imagine company takes you in a year twice to different countries. We also have car fund. Now what is this car fund? Car fund means you buy the car, company pays the EMI. So car fund plays a very important role there. Company also pays you for the house. You buy the house, company pays the EMI. This is the beautiful part of the company. And the elite bonus. This is the elite club. The people who are really serious about it, they can make the biggest out of it. Right? So 9 types of income what company gives you. More details on it. Your friend who has given you the link, he will share you more about this. So do ask him how this 9 income comes through the PVs. So basically what are we doing here? We are just understanding let's understand the concept of business. The simple concept. A normal product is coming to your hand. Before that, it goes to the distributor's hand, the state distributors. It goes to the wholesalers. It goes to the retailers like a Big Bazaar and all that. And then it comes to your hand. So the 40 rupees product has now become 100 rupees by the time you buy. But why network marketing? If I ask you, it's very simple. Because directly from the manufacturing, it's coming to your hand, network marketing, that is your hand, through network marketing. So the 60% benefit is now going, before it was going to the middlemen, now it is coming directly to you through network marketing, through direct selling, through Vestige. And this is the concept which you need to understand, my dear friends. Getting it? Let me give you a small example. Muni Shekhar. Munishekar from Bangalore, from Tirupati basically, he started buying the products of Vestige. First month his income was 290. Sir, I just bought the product. I love the product. Along with that, I got 292 rupees. I'm really happy for that. I'm like, keep it up. You build the business, you get more money. Next month, he just shared the product to his friends. Next month, he just shared the products to his friend. He made $1,000. When those friends use the products and they share to their family, he made $2,000. He started building this business seriously. His fourth month income became bucks. He was working also. Day and night, he was working on it. Next month, his income was around 25,000, and next month, he touched 36,000. Just imagine Munishekar, his father works in Kuwait. He can't come to India because he can't go to Kuwait back if he comes. His responsibilities are in his shoulders. Munishekar, his mom is a housewife. She's taking care of the entire family right now. Imagine he's making money at the age of 20 along with his studies. Full day he studies on offline, and after the studies, he does network marketing parallelly. This is Purnima Singh. You can see from $2,000 check to a check of 2,37,000. She's the inspiration for all the girls out there. People have traveled to different countries to Vestige Travel Fund. You can see people enjoying Vestiges everywhere, guys. You would love to enjoy. You would love doing Vestige in different corners of the world. Very soon you're coming to countries. You can just imagine. This is the team which we actually promote, Vestige Dream Team. That's my team basically, and this is a team of all you people. We work hard day and night to make sure that we teach and support every single person who become a part of us. Few years back, I also became a part of this. Today, you can see where I am. Changed my entire life. People have given cars to themselves. You can see BMW 5 Series. People have gifted them Ford Vico cars at the age of 20, 21 years. Girl gifting her Audi. And this are some of the achievements which I want to show you people. So, sir, I want to be a part of this. How can I be a part of this? It's very simple. You join here with 30 PV. That is 900 rupees. Buy whatever products you want to for your house, or you join with 60 PV, that is, $1,800, or you join with 100 PV. I would suggest you join with 100 PV. Why? I'll show you right now. You join with 30 PV, 60 PV, 100 PV, you get lifetime activation. Lifetime. You go to joining offer. You don't get joining offer. That is, you don't get any offers of products when you join with 30 PV, but you get it with 60 PV or 100 PV. You buy products with you don't get free products when you join with 30 PV, but you get it with 100 PV and 60 PV. And the best part is that you don't get any savings when you do with 30 PVs. And the best chance, you get trainings, support, quality trainings from different millionaires in the industry. So here you don't just work alone. Here there are people behind you who support you. And the best part why they support you is because they grow only when you grow. That is the concept of network marketing. So it's very simple to join. Choose your 30 PV, 60 PV, 100 PV. KYC, sitting in your house, you can online the product, you can offline, go to the store and buy, or you can do self pickup, PAN card and bank details. Simple as that. If you have, you should just download 3 apps. Vestige download, Vestige online app, where you can see your people under you, your PVs you make every month. It gets it's the real time, so it gets updated every second. Anytime you can sit down and you can get the apps work done. You can follow our page, and you can also follow Vestige Marketing Private Limited and the website too. We follow us on Instagram too. All right. So this is what I wanted to share with you people. I hope you all love today's presentation. Now, I want to tell you people, I became part of Vestige exactly 15 months back. 15 months back, guys, I became part of Vestige. I told my mom, let's change the product for 6 months and see the shift. Forget about 6 months. In just 1 month, my mom is like, I want the same product because these products are really amazing. And guess what? I shared this product to my friends. And when my friends started buying these products, whoa, I started making money. Just imagine. And there are people who I know who make almost 1 crore a month. I'm not joking. 1 crore a month is not a joke. 1 crore a month is not a joke. Right? So guys, it's really interesting business, but we need interesting people to work with. Right? So guys, now I'm going to share one of my friends who will come with you live, and they'll be sharing that when they joined Vestige and how did they feel after joining Vestige and how are they doing today in Vestige. So the first person of the day is Mr. Jatan Anthony from Bangalore. Let's listen to him. Why did he come into Vestige, and what are the products he loves about Vestige? Here we go.
All right, superb. Good morning, everyone. Thank you so much, Kushal sir, for the opportunity. So, hey guys, what's up? How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a very happy Sunday. Whichever part of India you are coming from, doesn't matter whether you're a youth, doesn't matter whether you're old, doesn't matter whether you're a housewife, whether you're a non-housewife, you're going to get married, you're planning to do something else, you are old, you are young. part is you are having a superb opportunity with you to take your life from